Welcome back to Artu. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important topic. Why does India seem to lack civic sense? Let's explore. Civic sense is essentially the social ethics that concern the responsibility of individuals to society. It includes respecting public spaces, following rules, and contributing positively to the community. To understand India's situation, we need to consider its complex history and culture. India is one of the oldest civilizations with diverse cultural norms, which sometimes conflict with civic sense as defined in the Western context. Traditional practices and the colonial past have also influenced current societal behavior. India's large population and rapid urbanization put immense pressure on infrastructure, often leading to chaotic public spaces. Overcrowding and insufficient resources make city planning and management challenging, contributing to issues like littering and traffic violations. Education plays a vital role in fostering civic sense. While there are efforts in schools to teach social responsibility, inconsistent educational quality across regions poses a challenge. Public awareness campaigns show promise but need to be more widespread and effective. The government has initiated several policies to enhance civic sense, like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. However, enforcement is often weak, and without community involvement, sustainable change remains elusive. Media and influencers can significantly impact public behavior. Positive role models and viral campaigns have sparked change in attitudes toward public cleanliness and responsibility. While India faces challenges in civic sense, change is possible through collective effort. What steps can you take in your community? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's work together for a better environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights.